Today we're going to draw the monster from the book I Heard You Can Draw. This is from the scene where a boy asks Sarah to draw him a monster's head. Then he shows that drawing to everyone in the entire school. And that's when everyone realizes that Sarah's good at drawing. And that's how the story begins. You are going to need a piece of paper, a pencil, eraser, sharpener, a Sharpie, 3 colored pencils, yellow, dark green, and light green. Here we go. Sketch an oval. This oval we're going to erase, so don't press too hard. Now we're going to draw 2 more ovals inside for the eyes. Go ahead, I'll wait. For the eyebrows, we're going to start with a vertical line and 2 lines that are diagonal. It's going to become a triangle shape. Do the same thing for the left side. Two more ovals inside of the eyes. They're touching, so it looks like he's cross-eyed. And for the nose, make a line down and curve. And on the right, another line down and curve in. Add 2 ovals that are sideways for the nostrils. For the mouth, start in the middle of the nose and go up, curve around, go up and down, all the way up, curve around, and back to where you started. The teeth are just zigzags down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Do the same thing for the bottom. Down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. For the arms, we're going to make 2 diagonal lines that start inside of the oval and go out for both sides. The hands are just little blobs. So curve, 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 curve. We give them 4 little fingers. Same thing on the right, curve, curve, curve. Now to make the fur, we're going to make it like the teeth, but these triangles are going to curve. Stop when you get to the arm, start again on the other side, up, down, up, down. Make all of these little triangles different lengths and different widths, and curve the sides. It's going to make it look like fur. Stop at the arm, start on the other side. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And stop right at the beginning. Add a little more zigzags inside of the face so it looks like he has fur all over. Take your eraser. We're going to erase the first oval that we drew. That was just a reference. We don't want to accidentally go over it with our Sharpie, so let's get rid of it now. Great. Take your Sharpie and outline everything. Every time we draw, it's good to start in pencil because you can always erase if you make a mistake. That's why I didn't do the Sharpie first. Fill in the mouth, black. Just go all the way around the teeth. We're also filling in the nostrils. and the eyes, and we're going to do the eyebrows. Great. When you're done, we're going to erase all the extra pencil lines. So grab your eraser. Brush off all the crumbs, and let's start coloring. We're going to start with the yellow. So in the picture, the arms, eyes, and nose are all yellow. Now we're going to take the light green first. Whoops, I forgot to fill in the eyebrows. There we go. He looks scarier now. So let's start with the light green. What I like to do is layer the colored pencils. So start with a light green. You don't have to press as hard as possible. And carefully go all the way across the shape. Very evenly. Try to keep your pressure even when you're coloring. Go slow around those edges. Now I'm going to do the second layer going in the opposite direction. This is going to help fill in any white spaces that were left and also make it a little bit darker. Now we're going to take the dark green And around the edges of all of your black lines, we're going to make it a little darker. We're going to add some of this dark green. This is going to help make it look more fluffy. It gives it a little dimension. Next, we're going to go around the fur and just add some little lines. Great. And that's it. Here's our little monster's head. I bet yours looks great. I can't wait to see it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. See you soon.